A swarm of 300 drones will lift off each night of the Dubai Shopping Festival for performances filled with light and sound. Taking place above the beach opposite JBR, Blue Waters Island, and Sheraton Jumeirah Beach Resort, the nightly DSF Drone Light Show will run for every day throughout the festival, making it the longest consecutively held show of its kind in the Middle East, Europe, and Africa. Residents and visitors can enjoy 2 great performances, each featuring different animations every evening until January 30th, with the drones first taking flight at 7 p.m. and then again at 9:30 p.m. The first show, titled Dubai, a City of Adventure, will show how there's so much to see and do in Dubai. Show 2, titled Dubai from Past to Present, will show the city's journey from Old Dubai to New Dubai. Each performance will last 4 minutes and is completely free to watch. Log on to gulfnews.com for more information.